Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Monday, October 28th at 7:30 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we are starting a new book, How to Draw Woodland Animals in Simple Steps by Susie Hodge. She kind of takes you step by step through the drawing process. Not a lot of detail in between the steps, but we're going to try it. So I'll start this one in a new playlist, and we will I'll probably start a couple playlists here in the next few weeks and bounce around in different books. So I've got my tea this morning, and we are off and running. Animals, I've really wanted to get started into them since we started that book, How to Draw in 30 Days with Mark Kistler. Static objects, buildings and stuff are fine. But I just have a goal of being able to draw my pets and other animals, and hey, maybe even fish. The bunny rabbit, I was so engrossed in the picture that I got to the end of it and I looked down at the whole picture instead of the little pieces I was working on, and I was like, hey, that looks like a rabbit. I was pretty shocked. It was a nice feeling. Now some of the other animals, like I've told you before, I'm kind of behind on putting these out, so I'm 5 or 6 animals in. Some of them aren't so good, but I was really pleasantly surprised at this one, and didn't do a lot of smudging on the shading. I just concentrated on the look of the rabbit and the fur. Used the it's worn off, but 2B pencil, and I switched around to some softer on the later animals, and I wasn't very impressed with them, so I'm going to stick with the 2B after we get through these. So leave me a comment what you think of the rabbit, and we'll try and keep this going. I've got a couple books that we'll be working out of from now on before I get to real pictures, and we're just practicing right now. So as I've said before, start a hobby, do something. It's relaxing and fun. There's my final product. Have a good day.